Hi there guys, hope you are all well. Welcome back to another video in the beginner series. So this video right here, I'm going to be breaking down technical analysis. What is it? How do we use it? And why do we use it? Moving forward, I am kind of wanting to make videos within 5 minutes in length, just so that you guys don't have to sit through a very long video. And obviously it makes sense. So first of all, what is technical analysis? If you were to put this into Google, you would get something complicated that might not make sense to you, and this is one of them examples. So basically, technical analysis is by using past and previous price data to potentially see what may happen in the future. So it's as simple as that. So any line that you draw on the chart which gives you some form of indication to what's happening in the future is technical analysis. So it doesn't matter what strategy you trade in at all. If you draw a line on the chart using previous data, you are using some form of technical analysis. So if you look at my screen here, this is a very, very busy chart. Now, these aren't confluences that I use, but I want to show you examples of ones that you may be able to. So in this example here, we have things like the RSI at the bottom. We have Bollinger Bands, which price trades in between. We have EMAs. We have trend lines. You can also potentially draw zones like this for key levels, and you can also draw things on like Fibonacci's. So every little thing that you put onto this chart is deemed as technical analysis, and as traders, we can use this to potentially see where price may react and may go to in the future. So all that comes down to this is what the market can do based off previous price. Nothing to do with news, nothing to do with interest rates, wars, anything like that. It is simply down to the fact of what price has done in the past we can use to potentially see what it will do in the future. I'm now quickly going to show you a trade that I took yesterday and that I am still in with the community. And this was a trade on Euro Australian dollar. So using previous data, I identified a high and then a low. Using previous data, I identified a previous low here. And using previous data, I identified the EMA right there. So for me, this was a valid position simply based on technical analysis. And this is how you as a trader can use this to obviously your advantage. So the position itself looked something like this. So I'm still in this position now. I have taken TP1 on it, but I just wanted to show you that using the previous data that we saw here, I was able to potentially try predict the future of the market using these things. So when it comes to yourself as a trader, it doesn't matter if you're using, like I say, the multiple EMAs, the Bollinger Bands, the RSI, all these types of things are indicators that you can use to try and do technical analysis. Nothing comes into it fundamentally in terms of the news and stuff like that. This is simply using price in the past to try get areas in the future. So if you are a beginner watching this video, that is basically technical analysis and how you can use these tools to assess the market. I'm hopeful you've learned something. Every Tuesday we do a video linked towards beginners, and every Thursday we obviously do something which hopefully is entertaining or at least something else you can learn from. So as always, all links are in the description. Any comments and feedback or any questions, please let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.